Hello guys, today we will uninstall an app for Mac. We will show you two main methods. The first one is the default method using macOS, and the second method includes a professional software that will delete any application and its leftover files completely. Without further ado, let's begin. Method 1. To remove the application manually, what you need to do is click on the Go drop-down menu and then locate Applications. Then what you need to do is find the application that you want to get rid of and simply drag it to the bin. You can also use the search above. Simply type in the name of the application, locate it, and then drag it to the bin. Type your password for validation and you're all set. Another way you can do this is by siphoning through the apps manually and seeing which apps you don't need or are inactive and simply removing them as well. This is one of the ways to get rid of an app that you don't need. Method 2. Now I will show you the automatic approach. What you need to do is simply click the link in the description. It will take you to a web page where you can download the software that will help you uninstall an application that is difficult to delete. This software is professional and it checks for all your applications, and it can uninstall your app whatever the circumstance. What you need to do is download its installer, then click on it, and then wait for the download to complete. After the download has completed, simply follow the instructions on the installation and wait for it to finish. Now it's time to demonstrate you how the software works. After the installation is completed, it will run automatically. Simply go to App Uninstaller and select all of the applications that you don't need. You can select them by ticking the box. Let's say we want to remove, for example, this app. We click on it and then we click Remove Selected. As you can see, the software is now working towards removing all of the files in the library of Mac OS, so that this application is fully gone from your device. As you can see, it says here that 6 items have been removed and the total space freed up. But be aware, this software also has other features that you can take advantage of. As you can see here, we can untick applications that start automatically when your device starts. Untick them, click on Apply, and these apps will no longer run automatically. You can reboot now or later. Other features of the software also include malware and Mac scan. These features are very decent and they can help locate any malicious software from your device and remove it. Thank you for watching, guys. In case you have found this video useful and want to know about more guides, make sure to like and subscribe. It means a lot for our channel and you help support our work.